Module 2 of the personal details update. Click on your last name or the hyperlink. We have done in the previous model, we have done your rider details, we have done the medical details. In this module we're covering the race details, sponsor details and bike details. When you click on the race details, you are registered with the Federation MSA. Choose your race club that you are registered with. I will choose Gauteng Off-Road. Now please note that all the clubs registered with the MSA will appear in the screen once you log in. Under licenses, did you register as a national, regional or club entrant? For the sake of this exercise, this rider has registered as a national entrant. Please note, when you enter your motorcycle race number, you can only do it you have to use capital letters. If you use letters for club licenses like C numbers, else you can enter normal digits. There is validation code behind that. If you keep your mouse there, you can see the yellow help screen coming up. Capital letters only with numbers trailing and no spaces. Your example is J888 or C888 or 888. Your MSA license number, we're just gonna allocate a license number to this person. One thing to note about this system, you can register your motorcycle as well as your quad. If you have a quad, or if you only have a quad, you register only your quad and you ignore the motorcycle. But you can do both of them, and the rules are the same. However, look at your help screens as much as possible. For this rider, we are not registering a quad yet. We will update it later. Remember, this is important because once you start entering races, the system will take this into account to validate you for that race. We are done with the race details. Let's go to your sponsor details. Please complete your sponsor information here if you do have a sponsor. Bike details. There's a significant change on the system regarding to the motorcycle or quad which you will be using to race during the season. The system allows you to capture all your motorcycles or quads that you will be using during the year. When you do enter a race, you will only be provided the options to choose one of these registered bikes or quads. I am adding ad hoc information. This rider, because he's registered for motorcycles only, I will choose a motorcycle. The system automatically brings up various the main manufacturers, Husaberg. If a motorcycle that you have does not appear on this list, please be so kind and contact the GOCs so we can update that list. However, you need to take note of this. You can save that specific line there if you want to enter more, or you can undo your changes. If you say undo, it will remove it, but it does not delete the record. Motorcycle, Husaberg, we'll do a FE250. Now, the system requires a frame number and it requires an engine number. It will not accept your bike if you do not have a valid frame number or engine number. Please do not put any numbers in there, as this information is automatically transferred to your scrutineering form for the race. If you put any information in here that is not true or does not reflect your frame or engine number for this motorcycle you have, and they do scrutineering at the race, you will be penalized for that. So please make this accurate. I'm going to use frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as this is a test user, and I'm going to use engine. And if I submit it now, the system will actually accept my change. There you go. Now the system has accepted my motorcycle. Please take note on the right hand side, the delete button. You can highlight that and delete that entry of yours should you wish to do so. We prefer you to, if you change motorcycle there, or you get rid of that motorcycle, if you sell that motorcycle and you do not remove it from your name or your profile, and any other person tries to enter with this same motorcycle in future, the system is going to warn you as well as the authorities that this motorcycle frame number belongs to you and somebody needs to do something about that. So if you sell or get rid of this motorcycle, please go and delete this motorcycle from your profile. We're going to add another motorcycle for this person. Let's say GOC. We'll do that one, and we're going to say somewhere frame GOC, and I'm going to say there that's engine. For the sake of the training module. There you go. You can see that. Now we can close down. You can go in. Obviously overrode that other one. Let's just put that in again. Luxembourg, AP250. Right, you can see I deleted the record previously, now I've captured it. So it shows both my motorcycles. You can close that down and save your record. If an error comes up to this, please contact us with that error. In this case, it says a string binary would be truncated, which means is on my race details I have provided the invalid license number to the rider.